Hello guys, this is Brad. Today's topic is how to win a $480,000 lottery without buying a lottery ticket. And my answer is just buying a small condo with full cash and staying there for 10 years. You'll save and make just that much. And hear me out. By the way, my ebook titled Condo Chronicle is available for free for 4 days in Amazon. So just check that out. Link is below or in the comment section, depending on which platform you're watching it. So go to Amazon and download it for free for 4 days. It have a detail, but my house price has been up for 3 times the last 10 years, and I saved $3,000 a month out of not paying rent. So when I add all those up, it was $480,000 profit and saving. Just read it and let me know.